going on, guys? So I just washed the Civic for the first time since I Plasti dipped the chrome trim, and it's sticking on pretty well. You can see, so there's a little part I need to touch up here. I think we may have nicked that when we were ripping off the taping around it, the masking. So yeah, it's holding up very well. It's still a little sticky, very fresh. That's what the front looks like. So I think it came out pretty nicely. I am going to get a different bumper at some point. I really do not like the sedan front bumpers. And right now I think it just looks, I like that I took care of the chrome trim. If I was going to keep this bumper and the grille, then I would get like that red Honda emblem and replace that chrome one right there. So I'm gonna show it on screen here, but I really want to get the Asian style front bumper. So somebody on the Facebook page for the 9th Gen Civics posted a picture of theirs with the Asian style front bumper, and I asked where they got it from, and they said fkxracing.com. So I have that up on screen here. That's what I'd like to do eventually. Second thing I'd like to do, look at how terrible this hood is. And ever since I got this car, I've been waxing it from day one. This hood, I don't know if this is a fucking defect or what, but the hood is in terrible shape. It's cracking everywhere, and it's even coming over here into the fender. Look at all those little cracks. That is terrible. So I probably will get that repainted. Actually, I definitely will get that repainted. So another silly-nilly thing about this car that I noticed a little while ago was closing the trunk, the spoiler was rattling. So I looked one day, and it's missing one bolt on each side of the car, so it should have two on each side. This one is loose, and this one's always loose too, so I've been tightening them. I've been meaning to come to the auto parts store and just get a couple of these. So I don't know how the hell those things fell out, but yeah, the spoiler is there's a little willy-nilly action going on here. So okay, so the lady in there told me that they don't have anything like this right here. What I'm gonna choose to do is go to the Honda dealership right now, because, you know, that's fun to look at new cars and stuff like that. Okay, so I'm at the Honda dealership in Roseville, California. Let's see how much I get harassed. I'm thinking I'll probably just go straight to the service part of it. Oh, look at that. That has a really cool color. I really like the new Civics, but I'm not buying one. If I bought a new Civic, it'd be the Type R. If they have one here, I'll show you guys what I'm talking about, but what I don't like on the Type R is that it comes with like a red, like stripe sort of thing down here on the bottom of the car, and it goes around the perimeter, and I hate it. I think, also the wheels, I like the black wheels, but I hate that it has like that red stripe around it. That's too much. I would definitely get that stuff painted. For the rims, I'd probably have to get entirely new rims for the Type R, but anyway, I'm not getting it, so it doesn't matter. Not that I'm interested in a base model Civic, but this is really cool. I really like what they're doing at the front ends now. How they listen to people, they listen to consumer feedback, and this is like a black gloss finish. And well, they still do have some gosh darn chrome down there, but I think it looks good. So this is a Touring. Okay, it's a nice little car. Here's an SI, spotted a mile away. Ooh, I like those rims. That's nice. It's like a matte black. This is super nice. Oh, this is a 2020. So the 2020 has different gearing, which allows for a quicker quarter mile and 0 to 60 time, which is very nice. I'd like to test drive one. I test drove a 2018 last year. It was very nice. I liked it a lot. Yeah, these are such nice little cars. So the 2020s have this little body panel piece that goes through the fog light bezel, which I think is pretty cool. What I don't like about this is that this, you can see on screen, this right here to the right, what surrounds it is like a gloss black, which is a different shade of gloss black from the front grille, which is also a different shade of black from this plastic insert right here. Like 3 different colors going on. Very minor thing, but yeah. I don't think anyone's gonna want to talk to me because I'm holding up a phone. Here's the Type R. So this is what I don't like. I don't like this right here. I think it's overdone. I don't like that. Also, there's a red stripe here that goes around the bottom of the car, and I'm just not a fan of that. How's it going? So I have a 2013 SI, and these are the bolts that hold in the spoiler, or nuts, or what do you call these?
Usually nuts.
Okay, yeah. Can I access this online, or is this?
You can get access. It will be a little different. It won't be exactly like my menu would be, but it'll still be like the pictures like this.
It's pretty cool. So while I'm here, this is a super far-fetched thing, but in the U.S. we got different bumpers. We got different front bumpers than literally the rest of the world. Is there any way you guys have access to like the Asian, like the Japanese front bumpers?
Yeah.
They're slightly different. I do have the, I can find the, Alright, so it's been a couple days since I filmed that, so I tried to see if he could find the Asian bumpers, and maybe I could order it right from Honda, but his computer, like, said he didn't have authorization to look up those parts. I don't know why they do that. I really think the Asian bumpers look a lot better than the ones we got here. I think the coupes look better than the sedans. It's just like the sedan. I don't like that front bumper. I also did go back the next day, which was yesterday now. I picked up the spoiler bolts. So yeah, so the next thing I'm gonna do, which I really need to, and I'll talk about this in the next video, but the tread on my tires is like non-existent right now. I'm probably just gonna go to Walmart. I wanted to wait till Black Friday, but the tires are really bad right now, and I don't think it's safe to drive another month, especially because we're gonna start getting rain here in Northern California. I think I'm gonna leave the stock rims for now. If I do end up getting aftermarket rims at some point for this car, that's so low on my list of priorities for modifications. But if I do, then I'll definitely keep the 17s. I don't want 18s. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing next week. I'll be trying to order some tires for the Civic, and I'll be doing some other stuff with the Corvette too. So that's about it. Thanks for watching.